The sun gives off over 4 trillion watts of energy in 1 year, but we choose to use fossil fuels instead of the never-ending power of our sun. Solar panels, however, are a much more efficient and ecological way for humans to better preserve the Earth. There are many fossil fuels burned every day in order for us to be able to do our day-to-day activities. When we use our cars to drive around, we create a thing called carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, also known as CO2, is one of the major pollutants in the atmosphere. Industrial countries account for 65% of CO2 emissions, with the United States and Russia responsible for about 50%. Less developed countries, with about 80% of the world's population, are responsible for 35% of the CO2 emissions, but by the year 2020 they may be able to contribute 50%, which means carbon dioxide emissions are increasing by about 4% a year. Now that we as a human race know that we are basically destroying the Earth and the atmosphere, we need to convert to more reliable and renewable resources such as solar energy. Solar panels are a more ecological source of energy because it doesn't give off any type of pollution. The way that solar panels work is through the use of photovoltaic technology, which directly transforms sunlight into electricity. This means that we can have unlimited energy as long as we have the sun. Solar panels are a big cost, but eventually they will pay for themselves. All in all, fossil fuels give off way too much pollution, and solar panels hardly give any. Save the Earth, save your money, go with solar energy.